Hey everyone, my name is Lisa DeFazio. I'm a registered dietitian with a master's in nutritional science. Today we're making a smoothie with milk. It's very straightforward, but there are a lot of variations that you can make on this smoothie. Smoothies are great for a quick breakfast or lunch or even an afternoon snack. So let's get started. First off, have your blender out and take out your ingredients. I always like to use frozen fruit whenever I can because it makes the smoothie a lot more slushy and you don't have to use as much ice. Also, frozen fruit is going to be cheap and it's going to last a lot longer than fresh fruit in the fridge. So let's go. First off, start with milk. Now for those people who can't drink milk, if you're lactose intolerant or like myself, I prefer almond milk or soy milk, you can always substitute that. That's not a problem. Again, I try to use 2% milk to keep the fat down, or you can also use skim milk. So just go ahead and pour it in and use the measuring cup that's on the blender and pour in about a half cup to 3/4 cup of milk. The less milk you use, it'll make a thicker smoothie, and if you use more milk, it'll make the smoothie thinner. You always want to add your liquid first and ice last so that the ice doesn't get jammed up in the blender. Then let's throw in about 5 or 6 frozen large strawberries. Of course, you can use fresh strawberries, but then you're going to have to add extra ice. Throw in your ice. And put the top on, and we are going to mix. That's pretty much it. Looks good. Let's see how we're doing here. Wow, look at that beautiful pink color. And we're going to have to grab a glass. And let's try this out. So once again, if you want it a little thinner, then you can add more liquid to it. And taste. Strawberry, so refreshing with the ice. You can also add some vanilla yogurt or vanilla extract or even a banana if you want to have a little bit more of a vanilla or creamy flavor. Another thing to keep in mind is that strawberries are going to be very high in potassium and vitamin C. So it's also a great way to sneak in your fruit in your diet or also in your kids' diets. Well, that's all I got for today. If you want more tips and diet recipes, you can go to my website, lisadefazio.com. I will see you guys next time.